Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp video not sending. To know how to fix WhatsApp video not sending, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp. Then in this page you will click for stop. After that you will click and enter here storage. Then in this page you will click clear cache, and after that you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.